Hello, my name is Joanne Kesar. We will be doing our presentation on Citrix systems. I would like to start by going over the agenda of this presentation. We will be going over the company overview, the external assessment, the internal assessment, and lastly, the analysis and recommendations. I would like to start with the mission statement from Citrix, which is, our mission is to power a world where people, organizations, and things are securely connected and accessible. A place where all business is digital business. A world where our customers are empowered to make the extraordinary possible. This is a brief background into Citrix. Citrix is an American multinational software company. It was founded in 1989 by a former IBM developer. It is a highly profitable company. It's worth over $3.3 billion with over 400,000 customers. Some of the services that they provide are server, application, desktop virtualization, cloud computing technologies, networking, and software as service. The company is aimed at making data and applications for their clients accessible everywhere. They mainly deal in virtualization software, which basically allows their clients to work from anywhere. Whatever they see on their desktop from work, they're able to view on their own personal laptop. This is going to be the assessment of the business and corporate strategy of Citrix. Citrix uses an integration of cost, leadership, and differentiation strategy. Reason being is there's a lot of competition in the market, especially in cloud computing, and clients are always looking for the best possible price. However, what sets Citrix apart is they are a leader in the market and they have a relationship of over 20 years with Microsoft, which makes them different than any other provider. The corporate strategy that Citrix uses is the dominant business diversification strategy, which means that 70% and 95% of their revenue comes from single business, which is mainly from their desktop virtualization and cloud computing. Up next, we're going to be talking about the external assessment. Thank you.